The video shows how to use click page number after current one to realize automatic page turning. Take this web page as an example. There is a fixed page turning button. Usually use click next to turn the page first. But when the last page is reached, the next button can still be located, so the NDS will continue to click, which leads to repeated scraping. Let's try click page number after current one. We found that the regular page turning works fine. Also, the method can identify the last page very well. In this way, the endless loop on the last page can be avoided. Let's look at a new page turning design. There is no fixed next button. When the current page number is selected, the next page number can be correctly located, so it is very suitable to use click page number after current one to turn the page. Let's look at a special page turning design, no next button. Also, the current page number cannot be selected with the selector. At this point, you can use the HTML action to assist in completing the entire page turning process. For specific usage methods, please refer to the usage method of the HTML action. Let's look at a different page turning. Each time 10 pages are listed, click the page turning button to list the next 10 pages. This kind of page turning is not suitable for clicking the fixed page turning button. Let's try click page number after current one. Regular page number detection works well. Here the next page of page 10 is a button. The good news is clicking at the new page is page 11. So we can still turn pages one by one smoothly. If you want to limit the number of page turning, you can set it here.